Greetings of the day. Myself Chitra Sharma, Assistant Professor with AISSM CHMCT. The subject is front office and the topic will be guest service. In guest service, we will be seeing safe deposit locker. We already know what is a guest service. In my last 4-5 presentation, you have seen what is a guest service and how much importance it keeps to the hotel as well as for the front office when we are dealing with the guests, especially with the residence guests or the long staying guests, and how could it give a positive and negative impact for a hotel if the services are not given promptly and politely. There are, as you know, there are 4 stages of guest cycle, that is a pre-arrival, arrival, stay, departure and post-departure, and almost all the guest services play an important role in the third stage of the guest cycle, that is a stay. We have seen till now the various guest cycle like guest mail, message handling, guest page, save guest room change, left luggage handling and wake up call. Today we will be seeing the guest service of safe deposit locker. What is a deposit locker? If you know, even in the commercial bank, we have a locker in the bank where certain amount is kept in a fixed deposit, and where you can keep the belonging, especially things like cash, jewelry, important documents, or very high end gadgets for protection. And all this uh, belongings are mostly in a safely and secured place. Hotels, the same way, hotels also provides a safe deposit locker for the same. At the time of checking, guests are advised to keep their safe deposit lockers available at the front desk. Earlier in the semi-automated system, safe deposit lockers were only available in the front desk, which was a storage room or a locker room which was situated at the back of the front office, and which had 2 keys. One key was with the guest and one key used to be with the cashier. The safety locker due as a technology developed, safety deposit lockers now has come to the room where it has a password, which is a small safety deposit locker kept in the wardrobe, and each has a password, and each new check-in guest can set his own password and keep his belongings over there. There are safety deposit lockers are of basically two type, that is a single key safe. These lockers are generally in the room and guest has a key and control. Modern lockers nowadays are opened with the password, and the other one is which is used in a semi-automated system. Nowadays it's not found in a high-end hotel, but you can surely find in a 3-star or 2-star hotels where double key safety use as we use in the banks, where 2 keys are there and both the keys has to be put together to open it. One is with the guest and one is with the hotel, especially with the cashier. And every time the guest uses the locker, a sign entry has to be made in the locker register. This is a image of an in-room safe. In-room safe means a safety deposit locker which is operated by password, and it is placed in the room. This is the 2 key lockers which is kept in the front office back area, and they are controlled by maintaining a logbook for the same. Safety deposit lockers area also has CCTV and cameras because it deals with the valuables of the guest, and it is at the highest risk. So CCTV cameras are located like to avoid any kind of mishap to happen. This is a safety deposit locker register which was used in a semi-automated register. If you can see, there are locker number, key issue, name of the guest, and we take guest signatures also. This is a locker box where amount of 2000 has to be paid for as replacement in case of the keys are lost, because this keys, one key is lost, then you have to change the both the keys. So that's why we usually take a deposit of 2000 for as a, if the key is lost, so we can use it. If it is not lost, it is reimbursed to the guest. This is at the time of surrenders. There are certain times the guest may be in a hurry and he check outs, and he like forgets to clear the locker, so we take a surrender of the box, and we take a signature also. And when the guest has also cleared the locker, he has to we take the signature here, because after that he should not claim that his possessions was in the hotel and the hotel has stolen it or something. So to save the liabilities, we take guest signatures. The charges for locker facility, yeah, generally it is free or very nominal fee. It helps to provide the hotel from theft, robbery, or any related crimes. These are the few images of the locker, how it is placed in the room. If you can see, there is a kettle kept over, and there is a locker over. It's all in the wardrobe itself, and it is all password generated. Thank you. And this is a reference from where this note has been taken. And if you have any doubts, please get back to me on my email ID, and have a great